ISBM, your first step towards right career.
Good afternoon all, and this is Dr. Shweta Jain, and today we are going to start with an introduction about business ethics. I'm going to today introduce you about what is business ethics and what is the importance of business ethics in the today modern contemporary scenario where the corporates have a big structure and they have a responsibility towards the society. So let us see the importance of business ethics and its correlation with corporate social responsibility. So today in this chapter we are going to deal with ethics, business ethics and its relations with the economics and the market scenario. So the contents which we are going to take in today's chapter, I'll just brief you about the content. It's what is ethics and how is ethics related to economics, the role of markets and market system in business ethics, the meaning of business ethics, the governance, ethics and well-being. How is it related with the well-being not only of the corporate, of the society, of the nation at large and at the international level. Ethics from Islamic perspective that we're going to see later on in this chapter, and views of Al-Ghazali on ethics. So let us just start with an introduction of what is ethics. So ethics, first before going to business ethics, let us understand the term ethics. What is ethics? I hope you might have heard this word ethics. You might be aware about the general notion of the word ethics. Ethics is something which is related to morality. Ethics may be defined as the set of moral principles that distinguish us. Distinguish between what is right and wrong. So I hope all of you know the difference between what is right and what is wrong. Though we know the difference, what is wrong and what is right, but still there are many things which kind of force us or compel us to which we can say by which we do something wrong. We actually know that this is wrong, but the circumstances, the things, they kind of compel us and we are made to do wrong in some way. So let us see let us judge what are these wrong notions and let us try to have a kind of control on these things. We cannot say that we will not do wrong anytime, then we will not be human beings, but let us have a broad idea about the things which we can ignore and the things which will set us right. Not only this will help us in enhancing our business, but it will money many people can earn, but name only some people can earn. So name can come when we correlate money with moral principles, when we are earning money from the society. So it is our it is our responsibility also towards the society who is helping us to gain this money, that we should use this money for the welfare of the society, and that is what will distinguish the right from the wrong. So ethics has a twofold objective. It evaluates human practices by calling upon moral standards. So whatever we are doing, we should know that morally we are right. See, the things can be legally right, but it is not necessary that they are morally right. So there is no set standards for something which are morally correct, but this is what we understand, we know from inside what we call as our inner self tells us what is right and what is wrong. So there is no set standard for anything moral. Like legal standards could be noted down and we know that, but moral things we can only feel, and so we should see whatever we are doing is true and right. That is what is a moral standard. So